For this exercise, we'll be working with a set of documents from the Welsh pubs JSON file. Make sure you've downloaded it. Once you've launched Studio 3T and connected to MongoDB Atlas, right-click the connection node and click Add Database. When you create a database in Studio 3T, you're basically adding a temporary node to the connection tree. MongoDB does not create the actual database or its files until you add your first collection. So let's go ahead and name our database Pubs. Once you click OK, you should see the new database node in the connection tree. Right-click it and click Add Collection. Let's name our collection Welsh Pubs. Don't worry about the other collection settings for now. Instead, let's take a look at the new collection tab. The top section is the query bar, which provides a form for querying the selected collection. The default query will return all documents in the collection. You can minimize the query bar by clicking the arrow next to the query text box. The bottom section displays the results from the query, including 3 tabs: Result, Query Code, and Explain. For this exercise, we'll only be worrying about the Result tab. Now it's time to import our documents. Open the Welsh pubs JSON file in a text editor, such as Notepad or TextEdit or whatever your favorite is. Copy the entire contents of the file. In Studio 3T, right-click in the Result tab and select Paste Documents. Click OK. And voila! You should receive a confirmation message stating that 3,122 documents have been imported. Click OK to continue. On the Result toolbar, click the Refresh button. The tab should now display the first 50 documents in the result set. At the bottom of the tab, click Count Documents to verify the number of documents returned by the current query. Leave the Collection tab open for the next exercise.